And with another little one. Gokart. You know how we do it. Get him in, get him out. Another full service. All this pollen, you know how we do it. Can't have that. Little 170cc. Time to clean this little razor off pliers. Don't matter what it is. We work on them all. You know how we do it. No bad juju. Let's go. Yeah, a little side-by-side razor. Little 170. Not getting any spark. We think it's gonna be bad gas carb, you know. One-on-one, let's go through it. Get this thing purring. Got that carb loose. Trying to open it up and see what it's looking like inside. Let that thing warm up. Another satisfied customer.